Hi, welcome to the Three Pines Nature Place. I'm Sharlene Miller-Piza, and I'm a volunteer to Three Pines and to the Warwick Valley Community Center. We're located right on 11 Hamilton Avenue in Warwick, New York. I hope you'll take a moment and join us. Here we see the palisades surrounding our protected kusa, or Japanese dogwood tree. It's a stunning presentation of edible red fruit when it's blooming. There are animals hidden. Can you find them? In our I Spy mural. Follow the dry stream bed where we have bridges to cross over and varieties of garden from pollinators to functional plants that are not on the New York invasive plant list. Loose parts are all over Three Pines and fallen logs. Head over the bridge to this bird's nest or gathering spot. Walking along the meandering path, you will come to a Three Pines obstacle course for the bigger kids like me. Older children can test their balance, climbing, jumping, agility on this course. There are many interesting quiet areas, the needles from the Three Pines. It's a part of nature. It changes with the weather and the seasons. It's never quite the same place it was on the last visit. The shadows and light change the way it looks during the day. Hanging nests, to catch a breeze or to think and contemplate. Take a swing on the hammock. A child may see a spider web, a cocoon, or simply a rope to climb on. Remember mud pies and dirt kitchens? Feeling expressive? You can go on stage and dream a little dream. Here you see a pile of beautiful cedar planks, sawed locally by a skilled woodsman. They're waiting to be part of an Adirondack lean-to or shelter to be constructed. Maybe you can see yourself be a part of that. This hill we've kept open for running, rolling, sleigh riding, anything. Possibilities are truly endless.